Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are proceeding towards the sixth lesson of Spanish, in which we are talking about greetings. And today the most interesting thing is that we are having some little guests with us and who are there to support me and as well as make this happen in front of you. So, okay, well, we are having a little Musa with us and so many others. Hi, Musa.
Hola.
Okay, hola, Musa. Have a good day, Anaya.
Bom dia.
Good morning, Anabia.
Buenos dias.
Good afternoon is buenas tardes and good night is buenas noches. Hello, Mariam. How is it going?
¿Qué tal?
How are you, Musa?
¿Cómo estás?
Very well. And you?
Muy bien. ¿Y tú?
Adios. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Like, share, and subscribe.
Vamos
Vamos
a
a
estudiar.